Hey Melissa, really quick, I don't know if I'm gonna have time to meet with you today, so I just figured I'd make a really short video. If this isn't enough information, please let me know and I'll try to meet with you sometime. But the AC method is 5 steps. Step 1 is factor out the GCF. Sometimes there's not a GCF. Step 2 is A times C. Step 3 is find the factors. Step 4 is divide by A and reduce. You have to reduce. Step 5 is bottoms up. So the first example, let's say I have 3x squared okay, so I have 3x squared plus 14x plus 8. Okay, and it has to be in the right order, so it has to be x squared, then x, and then the number, where this is my A, this is my B, and this is my C. So in this situation, I want to go through the steps. Step 1, GCF. In this situation, 3, 14, and 8, there is no GCF, so I've checked that one off. Step 2 is A times C. So off to the side, my A is 3, my C is 8, so I have 3 times 8 equals 24. Okay, so I did A times C. Now I need to find the factors of A times C that are going to give me 14. So if I list all the factors of 24, 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6, all these are factors of 24, but there's only one combination of those that'll give me a positive 14, and that's 2 and 12. And to get a positive 14, I need to have a positive 2 and a positive 12. So those are my factors. It's going to be x plus 2, x plus 12. So I just did step 3. I found the factors, x plus 2, x plus 12. Now I need to divide by A and reduce. So my A was 3, so I divide each one of these by 3 and I reduce. So 2 over 3 doesn't reduce, so it stays 2/3. But 12 over 3 reduces to 4. So 12 over 3 gives me 4. So now I move to step 5, bottoms up. If I still have a fraction, 2 over 3, I want to take my denominator, the bottom, and move it to the front. So that gives me 3x plus 2 and x plus 4. These would be my factors. Okay, so let's look at one more example and then I'll send this to you. Come in. Hang on, Melissa. Come in really quick. You might have a seat. Okay. Listen to me talk. Sorry, Melissa, I had to sit and come in. So let's say I have 5x squared plus, I don't know what to do. 2, 6. Okay. 630. Okay, so on this one, let's say I have 5x squared plus 17x plus 6. So once again, I want to go through the 5 steps. Step 1, GCF. In this situation, 5, 17, and 6, there's no GCF. So I can check that one off. Step 2, A times C. So off to the side, 5 times 6 gives me 30. All right, step 3, find the factors. So once again, I'm looking for the factors that are going to give me 17. So my factors of 30 are 1 and 30, 2 and 15, 6 and 5. So the only combination that will give me a 17 is 2 and 15. So I have x plus 2, x plus 15. All right, so I just found the factors. Step 4, divide by A. So in this situation, my A is 5, so divide by 5 and reduce. So the first one doesn't reduce. The second one does. 15 over 5 reduces to 3. And the last step is bottoms up. So if I still have a fraction, move the bottom to the front. 5x plus 2, x plus 3. So that would be the AC method. I'll send this video to you, and if you still don't understand it, just call me or email me. I'm not going to be on campus for the second half of the day, but just let me know and I'll be glad to help you out.